In this video, we'll review Relume and see how it's work and how it's increase our productivity. Also, we'll see how we can make a sitemap, a design wireframe, and create a style guide and send it to our client for feedback. After this, we'll see how we can export Relume design on Figma and Webflow. And this video is perfect for designer, developer, or anyone want to build website really fast. Right now, I'm in Relume website, and as you can see, something like website design and build faster with AI. And if you scroll down, then you can just write a prompt there, and then it will make a sitemap, wireframe, and also they will build the style guide for your website. If you scroll down, and then as you can see what they do, they are making a sitemap, they are making wireframe, and also it's easy for doing collaboration, and also you can easily export it on Figma or Webflow or like React.js, whatever you want, you can do it very easily. And if you scroll down below, then you will get to see Figma library, Webflow library, and here is mainly the React library. So now, first of all, we need to create an account there. So to create an account here on this right sidebar, you will get a sign in option. So after creating the account, you will be redirect on this page like this, as you can see. And like the dashboard you will get to see. So on this left sidebar, as you can see, we got a site builder. Also, we can create a theme there, and also it's have a Figma library, Webflow library, and React library. And on this right sidebar, it's all about your account, and it's have an import option. If you're just gonna create on this import option, you can easily import the sitemap. Or if you wanna create a new projects, you need to click on here this new projects, this option. Now let's click on here this Figma library, this one. And as you can see, we get a Figma kit here. One is like Figma plugin. Also have an icon. So if you just click on visit website, then you'll get to see all of the icon there. Yeah, your result mainly. Okay, so now here you have a Webflow library. If you just click on, then you'll get a lot of components like marketing, e-commerce, and a few more. Interesting things like you can also check their color palettes, UI elements, page template, whatever you need, you'll get everything there. Let's go back to site builder, and again, let's click on here this React library. Here you can see like similar elements here. You can simply select them. Yeah, here you can literally copy it and you can pass it to use it. Also, to install the packages, you can use this code. Okay. To create new projects, we need to click on here the top, like new projects is button, and then you get to see something like this. So on the left sidebar, you can literally type here the project's name. You can say the project's name here. You can write here client website, your website name. Just write the name. That's it. Okay, so this should be your website name, right? And then after this, you can write here 2 lines of your website, like which type of website you're building or what is your business about. Just write down there, give the instruction. Let's say I don't have anything for now, so I want to use this one. And then how many pages you like to build here, or how many pages they need mostly. Then select the language and click on here this generate sitemap, this button. So after creating, as you can see, within a second, they just make our sitemap, and this is all about the homepage, like navbar, hero section, feature highlight, all of this thing there. And you can literally just resize it. If you really want it, then you can just, let's say if you like to rearrange this. First of all, let's say you like to show the benefits, and after this hero section, you can do it. And again, if you want to delete anything else, for example, let's say you want to delete here this feature list, you want to delete it, click on mouse right button, then you can literally delete it. And also if you like to change something, let's say for the hero section where they talk about visual interaction of this we're talking about. So if you want anything else, just simply type here whatever you want. Just literally write here what you want. Just simply write it. Also, if you want to add a new section, click on the plus icon. Then which type of section you want to add here, just literally search it, search the thing, then it will be added there. After this, you can definitely do the modification. For example, let's say you add a section there, right? And what will be section for? And which type of elements will be there. You just need to tell like in details. Then when they're gonna design the wireframe, they'll follow it. Okay. All right. So now if you're just gonna click on here this plus icon, then you will get to see sitemap, pages, and like here have a navbar, footer. This thing is there. And here, as you can see, if you're gonna click on again back there, then as you can see, we can generate also the empty pages. For now, we only design here. I mean, we only just create the sitemap for our homepage. If you also generate like sitemap for the other pages, then you can do. As you can see, based on the homepage, based on our prompt, they automatically generate some other pages, right? So let's click on here with this generate empty pages here. And as you can see, they're gonna also generate the sitemap for the empty pages. As you can see, it's done. Also, if you add a new page or something for this, then you can click on here this plus icon. Then you can tell here that which type of page you wanna make here. You can do it. For example, I like to create here service page, service. Then as you can see, it can be our services. And here we can generate the content simply. As you can see, for the service pages, they generate the content. Also, if you want to make a single service, for example, it can be like single service. It's going to be for, well, let's say e-commerce or anything else you want to do. Just write the name of the page and click on here this generate content. Then based on the name, they're gonna make the sitemap here. Yeah. And yeah, that's it all about. And now if you want to share it with your client, then you can easily do it. Just click on here this share option, and here anyone can comment, and you can just copy the link and you can share it with your client, and they will get to see the same thing here. So as you can see, I just opened the link and I get to see something like this. As you can see, here is it. And I can also make that comment there. Whatever I want, I can do it very easily. So at the below, as you can see, this is the primary sitemap. If you want to add a new sitemap, you can easily do it. There's something like you want to have a different version of a website. For example, this is a version 1, and if you want to make a different version for it, let's say version 2, you can easily give the prompt there and they will make it. And then after this, you can do customization and send to your client, and you can just, if they approve it, then you can keep going. Okay, so I hope you understand of these use cases. So I'm gonna delete it on this one because we only need one of these, we don't need all of them. And so after making our sitemap, we can go to the next. It's like our wireframe. Just click on a wireframe, and as you can see, within a few seconds they're gonna make the layout, also write the copy. So as you can see, our wireframe is right now ready, and let's say I don't really like the design. If you want to change it, then I can easily do it. So if you're going to click on a specific section, then as you can see, this one is pop up, or if it's not coming, just again click on here this edit button, then you will get to see here. So the first thing, as you can see, is showing like create a global section. What is mainly the global section? Global section is something like the header, because every single page have the header, and this can be our global section. This we're using every single pages. This is called the global section. And now this is like the prompt that we was writing here, right? Before in a sitemap, can you remember that was writing an content for this section, how this section will be? So this is mainly. And if you don't like this one, you can literally just like if you wanna reset the changes, you can do it. Let's say I wanna reset this one. As you can see, it's now changed. And if I just gonna click on the header, it's redirecting me into the components, but I don't really need that. And here is the asset. If you want to change it, let's say if you want to make it video, then you can do it. Here is like asset placement. If you want to make it change the layout, you can do it from here. Also, what do you want? You want to like a form or button, you can do it. Also, if you want to replace the component, you can do it. Just click on the replace component, then you will get a few more different design. If you don't like the design, it will get some more different options. You can literally just select it whatever you want. Also, if you don't want to like this copy, if you want to rewrite something else, just click on here, generate copy this button, and they're gonna generate again. So as you can see, I just click on here again and they generate a new copy for me. So this is mainly the easier way for just changing any section from here. Okay, so every single section you will get the same option. Just click on there, then as you can see, we get the same option, column, sidebar, whatever are relevant there, you can change it. Also, it's have a content type 1B, both of there you can literally select which one do you like, and it's have a replace component and also have a regenerate copy option. Also, if you directly copy paste this into Webflow or Figma, you can literally copy and paste it in directly. Also, if you look at this bottom side, then you will get to see like this tablet option and mobile option. So if you're gonna click on there, then you will get the mobile design here. So this is the homepage mobile version, and this is like the tablet version. Whatever you want to do the changes, you can do it from here. You can do the changes in here. And if you want it to share with the clients, then you can literally copy the link and share the client. They will get to see it. Okay. So let's see, let's copy it. So as you can see, whenever my client will check the link, they will get to see the sitemap, what I plan about this website, how I mainly want, and then they will get to see the basic wireframe. This is pretty good. They're gonna get an idea that how the website will be. And if they click on here, the style guide, then they will get us the style guide, but we didn't make any style guide for now. But yeah, let's make it now. Now let's go to the next is like style guide, and right now this style guide is in beta mode. As you can see, when I click on this, I instantly get my website with the color and font, as you can see, and within one click I can literally change it. Okay, let's do it. For example, I'm gonna click on here this shuffle this button. As you can see, within a second it's just giving a new color, as you can see here, with different color and different things. So I can literally click on there and it's gonna be changed definitely. And also we can go to this dark version, I can go to this light version, I can see mainly that how my website will be. Also, if you don't like this font, click on here this button, shuffle this button, then it's gonna be changed into different font, and in real life you can see that how it's gonna be. So let's say I'm gonna go with again, this is the different font, and yeah, this is good. And also if you're gonna hold on here, for example, let's say I want here this black and white, I wanna give something more, so I can literally hold here my command and I can select here and a different tone or shade if I really want it. So as you can see, when I click on this, as you can see, I get a different color. If I gonna click on this button, I mean on my cursor, I get a different color instantly, as you can see. Also, for example, let's say you want to change the color, and some of the color you personally like it, some of them you don't like. What you can do, we can mainly just do a lock. So here you can simply just make a lock. For example, you like this neutral color. Also, you personally like this color for as a CTA and as a primary, as you can see, many places they use it, you like it, but other of this rest of the color, you don't like it. So what you can do, click on just lock this button, keep this locked, and those are right now unlocked, so you can make it shuffle, and as you can see, it's now changing a different color, and you can just pick it whatever you really want, and that's going at the brand. And same thing with this typography, if you like any of these, just make them lock, and if you don't like anything, unlock it and keep shuffle, then it's going to be changed. For example, right now you only want to change this body one, just click on this shuffle button, as you can see, it's going to find a new font and just change everything in a second. Also, if you want to see this mobile version, just click on here this button at the bottom. As you can see, here is a mobile version, and same as like Wireframe, you get this same responsive version at the bottom, so you can literally select it and see that how it will be on mobile, as you can see. Also, if you want to see the preview, you can literally just expand it and see that how it's gonna be on real life. You can literally just scroll it. Also, you can do it like this. Okay, now it's also have an option like share concept, this button, and when I just click on the share concept, as you can see, I already added few of them. You might not get to see like this, you might get to see it's like empty there. So what you need to do, as you can see, for example, this design I want to send to my client. So what I can do right now, this is concept 1, so let me go with the concept 2. Let me delete this concept so that you get a total idea how it is. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the concept 1. I like it, okay, but I want to give it more version to my client. So what you can do, click on here this button, click on next concept, and on this next concept, as you can see, we get a different color with this. Yeah, this is a different color. Let's click on this, shuffle this one, we get a different color. For example, I can do customization whatever you want, or if you don't want, then just click on here this surprise me button. Then they're gonna change literally everything. As you can see, this is the surprise they give you. This is good. Let's again do surprise. Yeah, this is also good. I don't like the font, but I like the color, so what you can do, yeah, this is good. Okay, now this is gonna be our concept 2. I want to make a one more concept, or if you want to share it to client, click on share. As you can see, now whenever your client gonna click on this link, they will get to see something like this. So right now, as you can see, this link is already copied in my clipboard, so I can directly send it to my client to give them see the preview. Right now, let's click on here new concept. Let's make another one. And this is the thing, I like it. Yeah, this is good. This is I like. Yeah, this is good. All good. I don't like the font, maybe this one, so let's okay, this is good. All right, so now this is the different concept, like number 3. So what you can do, I can literally copy this, copy to my client, and let me open a new incognito mode, and now I can share this link to my client, and they will get to see the sitemap here. They'll get to see this wireframe here. Also, they're gonna click on this style guide. They will get to see the design also. Now this one is progress right now, but these two are almost ready. So if your client click on this preview, they're gonna see the design instantly. They're gonna give the comment there if they like or if they don't like. If they click on this next button, they will go to the next. So it's make everything so much easier to like sharing with the client. Okay, so yeah, this is all about, and in the future you can literally export this style guide. whatever style guide we just make here, we can export it on Webflow. We can make it Figma easily. So for now, we can't export because it's now in progress. It's gonna be coming within a few days, maybe when you were watching this video, that time maybe this option is available. So, okay. And the next is like, here's the option like UI elements. So in here, you can literally change the image. Change the image is like, right now, let's say, you have a few images from your client. So you wanna change this image there. So what you can do, you can literally upload the image here and you can literally change the image here. So your client can easily see with their images, with their content, with the design, so that they can get a real idea that what you're gonna build, right? Okay, and also you can literally change the logo for your client website or your website. Here I can see you can literally upload the logo here, and it's gonna be changed here for now. For now, there is nothing, so that's why it's showing the default logo. But if you upload your logo, then it's gonna be changed. Okay, so this is all about the style guide, and it's pretty simple, and I personally love it, of these design preview things and sharing with clients. This, you know, like make everything much more easier for doing collaboration or something like this. Relume AI Style Guide Builder, it's not live yet. It's right now at beta version. So if you want to get access, I will give this link in my video description. Then you just need to click on here this with the waitlist this button. Then you guys like you're on a wait list, and they're planning to publish this early of Q1 of this year. So I hope you get a clear idea about a style guide. So now it's time to import the same design into our Figma. So to export in Figma, what you need to do, we need to click on here this export option. So first of all, let me select the home and let's click on a export option, and then they're showing like how I want to export. Let's say I want to go with Figma, so click on Figma, and first of all they're talking about to open this Relume Figma kit. So let's click on open button, and then they're gonna redirect me to the Relume Figma kit. So let's select one of your account there, and then it will be open the Figma file. And as you can see, we get something like this. And let me open a new page here, 74 page. Oh my god. Okay, so now as you can see, they're talking about to install Relume plugin. So what you can do, we can literally search the plugin on Figma here. So on this file, we need to click on here this bottom at this, and we need to click on here plugin and widget, and we need to search here Relume. Just simply search for Relume, then you will get the plugin there. As you can see, this is the Relume plugin. Just open it, and after this, you will get to see something like this, and you need to click on here this login button, and then you need to log in an account. As you can see, it's successfully linked. So let me close this. And as you can see, after this, I will get to see all of my projects here. As you can see, all of my projects I can see. And this is the website name that I edited 2 minutes ago. This is the website I designed right now. And also, if you want to paste something, you can just simply click on here this Control V. Just click on paste and Control V, then we get it. Okay, so let's see both of this. Let's click on here, then project's name. I click on there. And as you can see, I get to see here primary sitemap. So what email you want? You want to add here like the sitemap, or you want to add the like the wireframe. What do you want? So as you can see, when I add the sitemap, I get the sitemap here. And if I want to add the wireframe here, so what I can do, I need to click on here this wireframe, or if you want to click on here this arrow button, then you can literally add in a specific page. Let's say if you only want to add this homepage wireframe there, you can literally add it. Then they're gonna take a little bit time, and then you will get this homepage. Or if you want to add all of them, then you can just click on add wireframe button, then you will get all of them. So I'm showing you if you want to add all of them at once, then how you can do. So when it's just importing the design, just wait there. You don't need to do any changes there. If you do any changes, it might giving an error. So you don't need to do just changes, just wait here. All right, so as you can see, after importing it, we get the design, and it's exactly the same as it is. And this is the mobile version. So yeah, you can easily just remove it like this way, then it will be okay. And this is the desktop, this is the mobile. Yeah, both of this we get here. And let's say if you want to add this full wireframe, just click on here the wireframe button, then it will be added. Okay, this is all about. Now let's click on here the paste option. Let's say I want to paste here only let's say this section I want to paste. So what I can do, click on this, click on here right button, and I want to copy it. Or let's say here are the option, as you can see, copy Figma. Click on copy Figma, and as you can see now it's copy done. Go back here, and we already click on the paste option, Control V, and as you can see, it's taking a little bit time. Now we get exactly same hero section with the mobile version. So yeah, that's it all about, and how easy it is. You can see it's pretty much easy for importing the design in Figma. Now it's time to see about how we can export the same design into Webflow. So for this, we need to click on here this export button, and then as you can see, it's have an option like export Webflow. Click on the button, and then as you can see, it's showing like, first of all, we need to clone the style guide. So let's click on the button, then they're gonna redirect us on this page. And also make sure that you already log in a Webflow account. Click on copy Webflow, this button. And now let's click on create site. And now you need to type here the site name. You can type your site name, type here. Let's click on create site, this button. And as you can see, we get here, all right, something like this, start project. So we don't really need this thing. So you can literally delete here this page. And now let's click on the body, and also let's go back to the design. And let's say I wanna copy here this one. So click on copy Webflow, this button. Yeah, as you can see, it's copy done. Let's go back to Webflow and click on Control V. And as you can see, we get the section here. And also let's say if you wanna add this full page, then what you can do, click on here, this button. And I wanna import here the full page, click on mouse right button, copy Webflow. I got it. Let's go back to Webflow here and simply paste it. And then as you can see, we get exactly the same design. And also it's talking about this thing, so we can literally remove it very easily. And also if you look at this like tablet version, this is the tablet. This is if you like to see the mobile, then you can do it. So now you can do your customization whatever you want. After this, you can literally publish it. So just click on the publish button, then your site name, and now simply publish your website, and then take a little bit time. Okay, so now as you can see, it's now done. Let's click on the preview button. And now as you can see, this is the real website that you can share with anyone. But this is not something that we design. It's something like we just really copy and paste. That's what I did. But if we design the website, we can make it really create something. So I hope guys you get a clear idea about Relume, and you get to see like how it's mainly work and how we can increase your productivity and how we can import the design in Figma or Webflow, how we can do, or even if you wanna import the design in React, then how we can do. I hope you understand about it. So if you have any questions about this Relume, just leave me in the comment section. Or if you have anything about design related problem, then join our Facebook group. I will give this link in my comment section or description. Just join now and post your problem. I'll be there definitely to help you.